So, the first thing I had to do in adapting the custom chrome air cleaners to my carburetors is to hog out the center here. They fit they wouldn't quite fit over it. Let me show you what I mean. This is an 1.25 inch washer, but it doesn't quite fit down over the lip. But after I take about 40 thousandths out of the middle, then it fits right over it. And then with it doubled up like this, I have enough for my custom air cleaner to slide down over this, and I'll show you what I mean, how that's going to work. So you can see I have two washers stacked one on top of the other, and they are a little bit too big on the outside to go inside this plastic insert. But look at this. Now watch. One does fit just inside of the smooth lip on there. See this lip right here? It will fit just inside that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these tabs off on the inside of this enough to drop this down over my washers. And not only that, the way we're going to attach the whole mess to the top is this is the gasket that fits on the top of the carburetor, like this. And the holes line up. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 holes that are threaded down into the carburetor that was used originally. Actually, there's 5, another one here. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 holes that are tapped and threaded for the original air cleaner that went on it. So I'm going to take my washers and I'm going to pre-drill through these washers with using the gasket for a template. Then once they are down on there, they will sit down on top of the gasket like this, and then our plastic insert will go down over it once I've shaved those all out. And then the air cleaner itself will fit down right over like that, and just tighten up the screw on the clamp, and that'll hold it right in place. So that's the process for adapting a custom air cleaner to these carburetors that are made to fit on this engine. Now I'm in my office at my model bench. I'm working on a model that, well, the model that I'm working on at the moment, I had just painted it and I made a mess out of the paint job. So it's in the brake fluid, getting the paint stripped off of it. Anyhow, let's get back to what we're doing for the Goofy cart. So what I need to do is get the thickness of my two washers together and mark them on the side of my plastic adapter that goes inside the air cleaner. And the way to do that is just stack the air cleaners on the two washers on the outside. Now, if you can see this, I could put the plastic adapter there, and I have my washer on the outside, and I can just turn this and mark around the outside like that. Can you see those marks? Pretty skinny. And then all I have to do is I take my sprue cutters and I go inside and I line them up on the line at the depth I want it, and I cut it at each one at the proper depth, like that. And then I turn it inside out and I slide my cutter down inside and I shoot the pieces off across the room. Just like that. And so I can get them being cut at the right depth for the washers. So that's what I'm going to do on both of my adapters here. Hold on to your hats because here we go. Okay, I have 2 more holes to drill. Those are breather holes for the fuel bowl. But we're going to try it and see if it's going to fit first. And the proof is in the pudding. It lines up. Now the next test is to see if the filter will fit on there. Well, I can see that I have to take these notches all the way up. I have to relieve for where the bolts go through so that this can sit down as far as it needs to. But let me try a filter on there. And there it is. Once I get those reliefs done, this will be set up so it works. How's that for a setup? Onward and upward. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Well, you saw me pressure washing. Now the frame is all painted and ready to go back down to the shop to get the engine installed. It's just waiting on me getting the shop cleaned up. Of course, you know, I also have another project that's been going on, and you'll see that clip in here too. Well, hi guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade-Free Fix-It Man. And some have been asking about progress on the addition, and I've been up on the roof today. It's right near 80 degrees, so I thought I'd take this last opportunity to get it sealed up. Still get a couple of leaves, but they're just sitting on top. They'll come off easy enough. And I'm almost done down to the bottom, don't you know? So there you have it, all white. We'll wait till the spring to do the other roof up above there, and then it'll be done, and I'll probably recoat that roof over there again. So we'll do the whole 9 yards in one big shot. Thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, sharing, all them good things. Till next time, this is George. Bye for now.